Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to talk you through how to install a Samodra Button Bidet. So this goes on your toilet. It is for cleaning yourself after using the bathroom. Yes, we are going to talk you through how to install it. You say, well, why aren't you in the bathroom installing it, showing me step by step how to do it? Two reasons. Number one, it is much easier and better for you if I talk you through the instructions step by step and you visualize it and picture it in your mind as I go through it. Then you go in and install it yourself. You will know exactly what to do. If I show you step by step, you're more likely to just Google this video, find it on the certain step you need, watch it, and then go screw something up and then come back to the video. By doing this, you're going to watch the video, you're going to learn, you're going to understand what to do, and you're going to know how to do it. Second thing is camera angles in bathrooms and getting toilets on camera and undoing all of that kind of stuff and moving around and shuffling. It just doesn't make for a very clean and easy viewing video. Also, things get filtered when they might have toilets in them because sometimes people think they are just crude and gross videos. Not people, but people will flag, and then also algorithms, things like that. So I want you to view the video. I want you to be able to find the video and search for the video, which is why we are doing it this way. If you have a problem with that, sorry, that's just the way it is. If you can't install it after watching this video, then you should probably hire it done anyway. All right, so here we go. This is everything in the kit. If you need to purchase this, you can get it online. Also, if you want to see how it came packaged, you can check out an unboxing video that is on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. So here we are. First of all, in order to install this, this is how it goes. This is going to be on the side of your toilet, your right side, as you're sitting facing forward. This is the back of the toilet. This is where the toilet seat would be. So in order to do this, first thing you need to do is shut off your water valve behind the toilet. Then you need to drain your toilet tank, not the bowl, the tank. And so if you unscrew the valve on the bottom of the tank, the little coupler there, then what happens is all the water is going to run out onto your floor. So you can get a bucket under there, or you can get a shop vac and vacuum it out from the top of the tank, whatever is easiest for you. But just know that when you unscrew the little tube, the pipe coming out of the bottom of your toilet tank, that water will come out onto the floor. So you need to empty that first or be prepared with a bucket. All right, let's go through how to install this, how to set it up. Fortunately, they have a really good instruction manual. It didn't mention the tank part, but that's okay. So they've got the diagram of what you have. They start out with page 1 and then they go to 4, but that's okay. You just open and you get to 2. So here we go, fixed ring reset. This is something that when I was going through this, I had to figure this out, what to do. The first thing they want you to do, you can see here these rings are not lined up properly. They're a little off kilter, they don't work. Sometimes like this might be out of alignment, so you need to push this down in order to reset this, and there you go. So you push that down, get it up, it's supposedly reset. I don't know why you need to do that, but it just makes it so that they line up better and they fit. So that makes the rings fit on there. Make sure you do that. Next thing you need to do, obviously, is put the fixed plates back. So there you go, bend it down, put it back. Very good step-by-step instructions. Then you can assemble the plates. This is going to go right here. You can see here they say take off the toilet seat, adjust this so that this sprayer is in the center, just like this picture right here. You have these right there, and then you put the toilet seat back on top of the whole works. So this would go like this. Each of these are going to go like this. And then your toilet seat screws would go right there. Very, very simple. This is in the middle of the toilet bowl. All right, so you have that. What's next? Once the toilet seat is on, now you're going to need to move to the complicated steps, which are going to be right here. You have the T adapter, which is this piece. And then you have the bidet where the water intake is. You need to undo your water valve. So on the cold water line, which is going to be on the wall to the right of the toilet generally, or the left of the toilet as you're looking at it, you're going to turn off this valve. All right? Then you're going to get a bucket and put it under here. You're going to unscrew this from the bottom of your toilet tank. All of this water is going to come out onto the floor. So make sure you have a bucket here to catch it, or you can remove the lid and use a shop vac, take the filter out of the shop vac, and then suck out all that water. Then you're good to go. You can undo this, then you're going to reinstall it with the T. And so how do you do that? You put the T adapter in there, just like this, with this hose. So this is the hose that you have. And here's your T adapter. The T adapter is going to go like this. So you have the hose coming from your water line. That's on right now the existing. You're going to put the T adapter in there. Don't forget to add this washer on the inside of this. All right, that's what it says right here on the instructions. Put the washer in there. This guy goes on the bottom of your toilet tank. You screw that in. This is your existing water line. It's going to look like this. You screw that in. Okay. Then this guy is going to come off of here. Other one. Just like this. All right, and so then what's going to happen is when you hit the button on this end, it's going to trigger to turn on water. The water is going to come out of your wall, go through here, and away it goes into the tank. Also, when your toilet needs water, it's going to supply into the toilet tank. All right? So this end will go right here onto this. All right. So as a recap, this will be your cold water line going to your wall. It's going to look like this. So the wall, down to the wall valve. This will be on the bottom of your toilet tank. This goes into the bidet. When you hit the button for the bidet, it pulls the water through here, fires it from here. All right? That is these instructions, just like that. So that was 4. Then we go to number 5. Here you go. It's got some tips. Wash and dry, and that's it. Select using the button. So that is how to install this, how to use it. It is very, very simple. How do you use it? Wash your rear end right there. Turn it off, hit that button. Females right here. To wash the front, turn it off, hit that button. Clean the unit, self-clean, hit that button. Stop it, hit that button. Adjust your water flow. Very minimal, a little more, a lot, as you can see based on the gauge. So that is that. What I'm going to do is have a review video that you can watch on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. That's basically going to be what I think about this, about the installation process, about the instruction manual, about how it was packed, all of that kind of stuff, how it works. Of course, I'm not going to, again, it's going to be the same type of deal. We're not going to show it to you on a toilet in use. That would be pretty crude to have someone sitting there using it and showing you that video. So we're not going to do any of that. I could do it in installation and demonstration, but you don't need to see water flow and spray. If you want to use this product, you can purchase it and use it there. This is going to be, the review video is an opinion of how it all came and put together and installed, everything like that. If you know our videos, you will have seen the style and you will appreciate that. If not, find another one. There are many out there. So hopefully you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. The practical application is the same. Now that you understand how to install it, you can go and do it, and you should be able to follow these instructions in this manual. And also me talking you through it, you should be able to go in there, look at the toilet, and easily get this job done. So please feel free to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the bell icon. And I also welcome your comments. Of course, be nice, what you think of this video, and also the work we do here at How To Video Channel. Thank you.